I can have my own alone time. Since Majesta's drinking her milk. Now, since I'm a kitten, I can't do much. Wait, I know a game. There's bombs! Ah! Ah! Bombs everywhere! Ah! Ah! We should take shelter. Let's go under the bed. Let's take some shelter under the bed. The bombs are gone. I kind of miss Majesta. Let's play a new game. Let's make lightning. Ha ha! I'm starting to miss Majesta. I think she still might be mad at me for the fight we had a few days ago. I'm gonna go see her and say I'm sorry. I think I see Majesta. I'm gonna go see her. Hi, Majesta. Hi, Joseph. I'm sorry about the fight. You're fine. Yay, I found my babies. Now, shoo, I need to tend to my babies. You gonna leave? I'll just tell you. Make sure you subscribe and like and tell who can you like more. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys must have been confused in last video. The gray one is Majesta and the black one is Joseph. And yeah, guys, make sure you leave a like and leave me alone. So yeah, comment and subscribe. And get out of my face. I just literally said, get out of my face. Get out of my face. What did I just say to you? I said, get out! Get out! Get out, shoo! Have fun, play outside. Do something. Ugh, nincompoops.